Make sure you click that subscribe button to be a part of the family. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications firsthand. Well, hello everyone, good morning. Today is 18th of March 2018. The time is 12:15 in the afternoon. And so first of all, I would like to apologize for not uploading any fresh videos in 2018 yet. This will be the first recorded video of 2018. The last video which I uploaded would be probably returning from Bhutan to Kolkata or maybe Tiger's Nest. I don't know what. I am working on the last video of Bhutan series, so if you haven't watched out the Bhutan and Sikkim series that I did on November and December last year, go check the cards. The links will be up there and I hope that you'll like them. A lot of things happened in 2018 lately, like by the title of the video, I sold the CBR that I was riding. Many of you would know I have been posting on my Facebook and Instagram, so if you are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, links will be on the screen and in the description. Go follow me over there. I had a choice between the Duke 390 and the Dominar 400. Now I went to both the showrooms. I inquired about the motorcycle. I liked a few bits in one motorcycle, whereas I didn't like something in the other motorcycle, and vice versa. So everything was done. I had the money ready, I had documents ready, but at the last moment they say that they cannot issue the motorcycle under the place where I am staying, under that RTO's registration, because I do not have a permanent address here. So there you go. Now the half of January and the full February month went by, and to bring out the papers. I had to go to the Aadhaar office. I opened a bank account and it was a lot of hassle because it's a government work, so I hope you know how it is. By the way, I also forgot to mention one thing. I just got a few days back this. Yes, so this is the ASG Bluetooth. This is the ASG Bluetooth intercom. I hope this focuses. So yes, this is the ASG Bluetooth intercom, and this one I got for around 8,000 rupees from ASG store. The link will be down in the description if you want to buy one for yourself. So I'll directly meet you guys over there at the spot where I am planning to shoot the entire video. Basically, introduction of the Dominar 400 introduction of the Dominar 400, aka Shepherd. Yes, that's what I named my motorcycle, Shepherd, this time. So let me just get to the venue and I'll meet you guys over there. That's the bike that I bought, the Bajaj Dominar 400, and I got it from OSL Bajaj. Thank you Debraj and Jibranda for helping me all through all these times and letting me get hands on the bike. And yeah, that is, I got it on 27th of February. Paperwork is almost complete, like the number fitting is yet to be done, which will be on 22nd of March. I just got a call yesterday from OSL Bajaj regarding that. So yeah, I hope you liked all that cinematic thing I did. Well, I tried my level best. I'm not a pro in this kind of a thing. I tried my level best. I hope you liked it. And yes,
Well, it has been a good time with the bike so far. I am not usually, habituated to this kind of a riding posture, so upright, and at the same time a front biased riding posture. At CBR mein kya hota tha, I was completely forward, so I was habituated to that thing. So putting my body back by a few centimeters is taking a toll on my back. I have to get adjusted to that thing. Other than that, this bike is phenomenal. I mean, it's performing really well, and well, so far I don't have any complaints. There are a little bit of vibrations, but I will work on them. The vibrations are minimal. I am working on them so that the vibrations would go away completely. The bike is performing really well. Acceleration is good. Mileage I haven't counted as of now. I will be counting them in some other days. I don't usually do a tank full after immediately buying a new motorcycle, because putting weight on the motorcycle while it's running in, I don't think that's a good idea. One thing I am very surprised to see is that this kind of a quality product from a company like Bajaj, I mean, no offense to anybody, Bajaj used to make Pulsars back in 2005 or 6, I believe, which were the sturdiest ones. I have a few friends of mine who own the 2005 and 6 Pulsars with those spoke rims. Those were very good, man, very smooth. But a few years down the line, Pulsar loses its quality, and then there's a bad name surrounding it, but that's a different story. This bike is phenomenal. I mean, quality wise, it feels top notch, it feels premium. The lighting is good, the LEDs look super cool, the odometer is sufficient. You don't need to have any extra information. Well, one thing is missing is the gear indicator. I would really love if Bajaj would have included a gear indicator at least on the secondary display. They could have included it in the primary display, but I don't see a space for the gear indicator anywhere. Apart from that, the quality is very top notch. Nothing, no problems, no issues, nothing. I'm really satisfied with the price point they are providing it. I'm really satisfied. I would prefer the Dominar over the CBR 250R. I know some of you would hate me for that comment, but yes, because why not? I know Honda is reliable. I know Honda is I have been using a Honda for the past 2 years. I have taken it to places. I have bared the cost of servicing, but at what price does the reliability come? This is also reliable. I have a few friends who are riding the Dominar and are going on rides, to extreme rides, and well, it performs really well. I don't see them complaining all the time. CBR was a very reliable bike, but it came at a price, while on the other hand, the price is very less compared to the CBR, and as Indians we want value for money, and I don't think any bike for the next few years is going to beat the value for money mark of the Dominar. Yeah, that's my point of view. I'll say it straight out. CBR is a very good machine. I really love the bike, but keeping in mind the motorcycle market of today, I don't think CBR is a really feasible option. Plus, they launched the new CBR 250R a few days back with the LED things and all, but they kept the price same. I would have really loved to see if the price would have dropped a little bit. So this was for this video. I hope you really liked it. This is the new bike that I'm riding, the Bajaj Dominar 400 2018 edition, the rock matte black one. I really love the color though. I was like clean bold after I saw this color. So I hope you guys are doing well, and there are a lot of videos coming out in this few days. Up front, I am planning to do something like unique or something like that in the few upcoming videos. So I hope you have subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon also, so that you get the notifications first hand. And this is another traffic signal. Oh.